To make sure your template is configured properly before releasing to end users, you can leverage Matik's testing functionality. It is considered best practice to vigorously test your slides with different input values. The first step, if you're working in Google Slides, is to head back over to Matik and click the sync icon to update your Google Slides template in Matik with the changes you made to the underlying Google Slides presentation. If you are working in PowerPoint, then make sure you have the most up-to-date template uploaded to Matik before testing. Matik allows you to test individual slides, multiple slides, or the entire presentation at once. First, select the slide you want to test. When the desired slide is selected, the Test Slide button will appear above the slides. Click this button and fill out the inputs needed to generate these slides with your data-driven content. Then, click the Generate Test Slide button. If you are using Google Slides, the test slide will automatically pop up in another tab and be added to your Matik Presentations folder in your Google Drive. If you're using PowerPoint, the test slide will automatically download for you to easily review. If you want to test your entire presentation, select the Generate Presentation button in the top right-hand corner of your admin view. Fill out the inputs attached to this presentation and click Generate Presentation. Same as with testing a single slide, a Google Slides presentation will automatically be added to your drive and open in a new tab, while a PowerPoint presentation will automatically download for your review. Now you're all set to start testing your presentations. When testing your presentation, you may notice that you want to change the order of the inputs in the form that end users fill out to generate this presentation. Matik allows you to set the order of these inputs for each individual template. From within a template, navigate to the sidebar on the right. You will see all of the content listed that is in this presentation. Click the Inputs button found next to the Content button. You will now see all of the inputs that are tied to this template and can drag and drop them to the desired order. You can even search for an input using our search function. Please note that a dependent input cannot be moved above the input it is dependent on. Now you can reorder inputs for your templates into a flow that makes the most sense for your end users. In order to help keep your users' files organized and easily searchable, you may want to set up a default naming structure for each template. We will use this template as an example. If you have edit access to a template, click on the template name and select Set Name for Generated Presentations. These are the elements that appear by default. You can add additional elements by clicking the Add Element button. In this example, we are selecting plain text so that we can add the word external in the title of all generated presentations from this template, so that our end users will know that this presentation is okay to share externally. The end user can even search their Google Drive by this keyword external to find all external presentations they have generated using Matik. You can adjust the order of the elements by dragging and dropping, and can also delete elements that aren't necessary to include. You can then preview the naming structure here where it says Outcome. Once you are satisfied, don't forget to press Save. This naming structure will apply to all future presentations generated by your end users from this template. When you are completely finished with prepping and testing your template, it's time to share it. Click on the Manage Access button in the top right of your screen. Note that if this template has already been shared with others and you simply want to adjust those permissions, the Manage Access button will be replaced by user icons, like this. As an admin, you can share your template to all admins, as well as publish your template to all end users. You have the option to give these users either read or edit access. As best practice, end users should only have read access to templates in most cases. You can also give access to specific users, instead of all admins or all end users. Make sure to press Add Accessors and then X out of the pop-up when you are done. Congrats! You have now published your template.